If you've ever looked for a simple archive button in Evernote and couldn't find one, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you the practical way to archive notebooks in Evernote, keep your workspace clean, and still make sure your notes are safely backed up for later. This is especially useful if you have old projects, finished research, or notebooks you do not want sitting in your sidebar anymore. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Evernote tips and productivity guides. Now let's get into it. The first thing to understand is that Evernote does not currently have a dedicated archive feature for notebooks. So instead of pressing an archive button, the best method is to export the notebook to your computer first and then delete it from Evernote once the backup is saved. That gives you the same end result. Your active account stays organized, but you still keep a copy of everything. To start, open the Evernote desktop app on your Mac or Windows computer. This method works best in the desktop version because that is where notebook export options are easiest to access. Once Evernote opens, look at the left-hand navigation panel and click on Notebooks. This will show you a full list of every notebook in your account. Next, find the notebook you want to archive. Take a moment here and make sure you are choosing the correct one, especially if you have similar notebook names. If this is an important notebook, it's always worth double-checking before you make any changes. On Windows, right-click the notebook and look for the export option. On Mac, you can control-click or right-click the notebook, then choose Export Notebook from the menu. This is the step that prepares your notebook for backup outside of Evernote. When the export window appears, choose ENEX as the file format. ENEX is the best option because it keeps your note content, tags, and attachments together in one file. That means your notebook is not just copied as plain text, it is saved in a format that can be imported back into Evernote later if you ever need it again. Now choose where you want to save the file on your computer. A lot of people like using the desktop for quick access, but you may prefer a folder called Archive, Backups, or Evernote Exports. Pick a location that you will actually remember later. Then click Export to save the notebook to your device. Once that export finishes, take a second to confirm the file is there. This is important because you do not want to delete the notebook from Evernote before you know the backup has been saved successfully. After all, the export file is what protects your information. Now that your notebook is safely archived on your computer, go back to the notebooks list in Evernote. Find the same notebook again, then click the three dots beside it or right-click it and choose Delete Notebook. This removes the notebook from your Evernote account so it no longer clutters your active workspace. And just to be clear, this is the part that makes it feel like archiving. The notebook is no longer visible in your day-to-day Evernote view, but you still have the exported ENEX backup stored locally on your computer, so your notes are preserved and your workspace stays clean. If you ever need to access that archived notebook again, you can bring it back. In Evernote, go to File and then choose Import, or use the Import option in your Notes view. Select the ENEX file you exported earlier and Evernote will restore that content so you can search through it and view it again. This makes the whole process very flexible. You get the benefit of decluttering your account now while still keeping a path to recover old notebooks later if you need them. A few pro tips before you go: always export before deleting. Use clear folder names for your backups, and if a notebook is especially important, consider keeping an extra copy in cloud storage or on an external drive. That way, you have more than one layer of protection. So that's the easiest way to archive notebooks in Evernote, since Evernote itself does not offer a direct archive button. Export the notebook, save it as an ENEX file, delete it from your active notebooks, and restore it later whenever needed. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.